Hello, my name is Sarah, and today is a big day for me. It is my very first day at my new job. I am working as a marketing assistant for a large company. Last night, I could not sleep well because I was so excited and a little bit nervous. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. before my alarm clock even rang. First, I went to the kitchen and made a strong cup of coffee. Then I spent a long time choosing my clothes. I wanted to look professional. I chose a light blue blouse, a dark blazer, and comfortable black shoes. I looked at myself in the mirror and smiled. I felt ready to start this new chapter of my life. The office is located in the city center. I decided to take the bus to avoid traffic. I arrived at the building at 8:45 a.m., which was 15 minutes early. The building is a tall, modern skyscraper made of glass and steel. When I walked through the revolving doors, I saw a large lobby. I went straight to the reception desk. The receptionist was a very kind woman named Linda. "Good morning," I said. "I am Sarah, the new marketing assistant." Linda checked her computer and smiled. "Welcome, Sarah. We have been expecting you. Please take this security badge. You need it to enter the elevators." My manager, Mr. Thompson, met me at the elevator. He showed me around the office. The office is an open space design, which means there are many desks but no high walls between them. "This is your desk, Sarah," Mr. Thompson said. I felt so happy to see my own workspace. On my desk, there was a brand new laptop and a large monitor. There was also a welcome kit, which included a notebook, a set of pens, a stapler, and a company mug. I also noticed a small plant in the corner of my desk. It made the space feel very friendly. A few minutes later, Mr. Thompson introduced me to the rest of the team. "Everyone, this is Sarah. She is joining us today," he announced. First, I met James. He is the lead designer. He was wearing headphones and working on a beautiful graphic. "Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. If you have any questions about the software, feel free to ask me," James said. Next, I met Maria. She is in charge of social media. She was very energetic and gave me a high five. "Welcome to the team. We are going to have a lot of fun together," Maria said. Everyone was so welcoming that I quickly started to feel less nervous. By 1 p.m., I was feeling a bit hungry. Maria invited me to have lunch with her in the break room. The break room is a great place to relax. It has a small kitchen with a microwave, a refrigerator, and a very expensive coffee machine. We sat at a round table and talked for 30 minutes. Maria told me about the best cafes near the office and the company traditions. I learned that on Fridays, the company provides free pizza for everyone. I already like this job. In the afternoon, it was time to get to work. I logged into my computer and set up my email account. My first task was to research some market trends and write a short report. I also had to attend my first team meeting. During the meeting, I listened carefully and took notes in my new notebook. Even though I did not say much, I learned a lot about the company projects. Everyone was very professional and focused. At 5:30 p.m., the workday was finally over. I packed my bag and said goodbye to my new friends. "See you tomorrow, Sarah," they shouted. On my way home, I felt a great sense of accomplishment. My first day was not scary at all. It was wonderful. I am very proud of myself, and I cannot wait to see what tomorrow brings.